certified ALLI trainer, and Vasavi Club International certified trainer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam. Ye malaga netigi. Guru, Guru pota undi kada. Yes. Today, we are going to see about Guru. Guru ante evaru? That too mana topic lo innovative Guru. Oh, innovative. What is innovative? Alage Guru. We call them as teacher also. Coach. HOD. Organization lo leader antam. Leader. So, Guru ne patraniki mano inta names iyochu. Guru, teacher, coach, guide, professor, lecturer, leader. Enta kaunta pettochu. Mata, Pita, Guru, Devam antanu. Mata, mother. Yes, our mother is our first Guru. Yetla Guru? Ansa aspects lo. Family values kurichi, relationship kurichi, ఓ ఫ్యామిలీని ఎలా మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేయాలని గురించి అక్కడ ఉండే మనకు గురు స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫాదర్? ఎస్, హీ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో అ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ గురు ఫర్ అస్. దేంట్లో గురు? మనకు అంతా ఈ ఉలగాని మనకు చూంచే దీంట్లో ఉండి, మనీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఉండి, టైం ఉండి, ఎర్నింగ్ ఉండి, కొల్ల విషయాలు ఫాదర్. బట్ ఈ రోజు వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ అబౌట్ గురు, దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ టీచర్. టీచర్ ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? ఈ రోజు పిల్లల గురించి మీకు అందరిమే తెలుసు ఎట్లా ఉండారు, పిల్లలు ఎట్లా నడుచుంటారు, వాళ్ళు ఎది అయిన టీచర్స్ ఉండావలే, ఎట్లాంటి టీచర్స్ ఉండావలే అట్లాంట. ఎస్, దే హ్యావ్ టు బి అ క్రియేటివ్ టీచర్ గా ఉండాలి. క్రియేటివ్, అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ టు అప్డేట్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్ డైలీ. దే హ్యావ్ టు అప్డేట్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్ డైలీ అండ్ అప్గ్రేడ్ చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళని. అప్గ్రేడ్, దే హ్యావ్ టు అప్గ్రేడ్ దెమ్. తమిళ్ పోయట్ ஔவையார் కొల్లనస్త ఓ వాసకం చెప్పినారు, கற்றது கையளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. கற்றது கையளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு. What you learnt is something what you hold in your hand, but what you have not learnt is the whole world. Is the size of the whole world, he is saying. She is saying. Yes, mano ఎంతగా నచ్చ లెర్న్ చేసినేమో అంతగా మన క్వాలిటీ అస్ అ గురు, అస్ అ లీడర్, అస్ అ టీచర్ మన క్వాలిటీ పెరుగుతుంది. విత్ దట్ గుడ్ క్వాలిటీ, విత్ దట్ గుడ్ నాలెడ్జ్ మనం పిల్లలకి పోయి అంతా నేర్చిపోయేప్పుడు అంత నష్టం ఉంది. వన్ థింగ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ అ టీచర్ ఆర్ అ కోచ్ ఆర్ అ గురు. You have to teach. For that you have to learn. Yes, మన టీచ్ ఇట్లా పెట్టా, లెర్న్ ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది. LEAN TEACH, ఏ సెంటర్ గా ఉంటుంది. యూ హ్యావ్ టు టీచ్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బి అ గుడ్ టీచర్, ఆఫ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బి అ గుడ్ గురు, యూ హ్యావ్ టు లెర్న్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ. కంటిన్యూస్ గా లెర్న్ చేసే వాళ్ళు మట్టుందా ఓ మంచి టీచర్ గాను, ఓ మంచి గురువు గాను ఉండముచ్చు. వేరే ఓరు వెళ్ళడం ఉండ ముడియదు. గురువు అనేది వేరే ఓరు మనని ఉండే స్థితిలో ఉండి ఉన్నత స్థితికి ఎత్తుపోయే వాళ్ళదా, ఉన్న స్థితిలో ఉండి ఉన్నత స్థితికి మనకు మార్చేదిదా వి కాల్ దెమ్ as గురు. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూసిందాము గురు ఆర్ లైక్ టీచ్ ఆర్ అ ట్రీ. ఓ ట్రీ ఉంది కదా, ట్రీలో ఏమవును? దట్స్ ద ఫ్లవరింగ్ ట్రీ. కంటిన్యూస్ గా ఫ్లవర్స్ బ్లూమ్ అవుతా ఉంది. నష్ట బ్లూమ్ అయిన ఫ్లవర్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్? ఇట్ విల్ ఫాల్. ద ట్రీస్ విల్ నాట్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ ద ఫ్లవర్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ bloomed and that has fallen. The tree should always concentrate, or it concentrates on the new flower. Exactly. Gurus kuda adeda. They go on creating new flowers. They go on creating new students, new knowledge, new things. But they stay there. The teachers or the tree or the guru, it stays there and it goes on creating new children. Ilanti innovative gurus ఎట్లా ఉండాలనేది బిడ్డలకు వచ్చి ఈ గాలో వాళ్ళకి కొల్లగా టీచర్స్ దగ్గర ఉండి ఎదురు చూస్తారు. సో ఐ వాంట్ టు షేర్ అ స్మాల్ PPT. Just 1 minute, I will share the PPT now. So can you all see the PPT మీకు అందరికి కనపడుతుందా? Just tell yes or something. SMS లో మెసేజ్ టైప్ కొట్టండి స్క్రీన్ లో. And I think my voice is also audible to you. Okay. So guru, a teacher or a guru ఎలా ఉండాలి? Because this is a crisp time, we have to finish off within half an hour. I want to just expand the word today also. Yes. Teacher. T stands for talent. Without talent, you cannot be a teacher or you cannot be a guru. But our talent, it should not be the same what you have read in the school or what you have read in the college. Mana upgrade chesi dani atle knowledge pendi chestane undavali. And next comes, what is that? E. E stands for excellent and energetic teacher ga undali. Gudimetla, please, have you made me as host? Everybody is asking for me to admit. Please, Gudimetla.
Okay, sir. Okay, definitely.
Please, sir. E stands for energetic and excellent teacher. Yes, adi rendu kandipa undavali manalola untada as a guru. If we are energetic and if you are excellent as a leader also, as a guru also, we can perform well. Without that, we cannot do anything. The same way, we have to be very awesome and attractive. Yes, guru etla undavali. Mana class ku poyeppudu, mana college poyemo, class ku poyemo, meeting poyemo, our leader etla undavali. He has to be awesome, he has to be attractive. వాళ్ళు ఏది మాట్లాడతాను మనం కూర్చుని వినే அளவுக்கு మనకు కొల్ల సంతోషం ఉండాలి. ఓకే, వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు సిట్ హియర్, సో వీఆర్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు లిసన్ వాట్ ఈస్ టెల్లింగ్. అట్లానే அளவுக்கு మన కొల్ల నస్తే we have to enjoy their class. And again, C stands for charm and caring also. Teachers should take care, or the guru should take care of all the children or all the students inside your college or class. ఎవరెవరు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళకి తగిన మరి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర పోయి మాట్లాడి వాళ్ళ కేర్ ఎత్తుకోవాలి. పర్సనల్ కేర్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ద సేమ్ వే యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి హంబుల్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి హ్యూమరస్ ఆల్సో. ఎస్, మీరు వాటి ఎలా లెక్చర్ పెంచుతా పోతా ఉంటే నోబడీ విల్ లిసన్. కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ గురించి ఈ రోజు వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ అది గురించి వీ హ్యావ్ టు టాక్ విత్ ద చిల్డ్రన్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్పీక్ దట్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు బ్రింగ్ దోస్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ హియర్. అది ఎంత వస్తుందా మన క్లాస్ అట్రాక్టివ్ గా ఉంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మనం హంబుల్ గా ఉండాలి చిల్డ్రన్ దగ్గర. అది లేకపోతే కండిపా మన వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏమీ క్రియేట్ చేయండి. అండ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వర్డ్ ఇస్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ టీచర్, ఎంకరేజింగ్ గురు. వాళ్ళకి పోయి తట్టి అవ్వాలి. ఎస్, యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దిస్ మార్క్స్, డోంట్ వరీ అబౌట్ దిస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెయిన్ నాలెడ్జ్. మన దీని గురించి దాని గురించి బాధపడకలేదు. నెక్స్ట్ టైం యూ గెట్ వన్ మోర్ ఛాన్స్. దాంట్లో ట్రై చేయి. యూ క్యాన్ డూ ఇట్. ఇవల్ల ముడుచును. అట్లానే మరి మన వాళ్ళకి పాజిటివ్ థింకింగ్ ఇస్తానే ఉండాలి. And responsible, we are responsible for the children, for the students inside college or anywhere, even in the organization, in Vasavi Clubs International. Ee roju trainers kuriche mana INP sir has taken his responsibility that all trainers should learn more. That's why we are given chance like this and we are learning day by day. adi mole o guru o teacher valuda responsibility etuni etla cheyavala, how to bring up my class, how to bring up my children, that responsibility should be there. So you should be talented, you should be energetic, you should be attractive, you should be caring, you should be humorous and humble, and you should encourage the children, and as well as you have to be a responsible citizen and make the children to be very effective. Okay, teacher ku motte expansion chusaya, guru ku chustama. Okay, no other can go for that also. Yes. G, you have to guidance. గైడ్ లేకపోతే ఏమే చేయముడి. పిల్లలు ఎట్లెట్లో పోతారు. ఈ రోజు సోషల్ మీడియా అండ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ గివింగ్ అ బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఫర్ ద చిల్డ్రన్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు స్టాండ్ విత్ దెమ్ అండ్ గివ్ అ ప్రాపర్ గైడెన్స్ సో దట్ వీఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ విత్ దెమ్. ఎస్, అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి యూనిక్. యూనిక్ అంటే మీకు అందరికీ తెలుసు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి యూనిక్, నాట్ లైక్ అదర్ టీచర్స్, నాట్ లైక్ అదర్ గురూస్. What is the uniqueness we possess, or what is the uniqueness you possess? You bring it out and give them. The same way, respect ante వాళ్ళు మనకి ఇచ్చే రెస్పెక్ట్ లేదు కదా, మనం వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాలి. ఈవెన్ a small LKG kid is expecting respect. ఆ LKG kid మీరు మర్యాద ఇవ్వకపోతే, ఆ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వకపోతే, he won't talk with you properly or she won't talk with us properly. Respect is this thing what we give and we get. The same way, we have to give a proper respect to children, whatever the age may be. That too, adolescent age, our respect అనేది కొల్ల ఇంపార్టెంట్. వాళ్ళని బిడ్డలు ఎట్లా ట్రీట్ చేయాలా, ఎక్కడ క్రిటిసైజ్ చేయాలా, ఎక్కడ ప్రైజ్ చేయాలా, ప్రైజ్ ఇన్ పబ్లిక్, క్రిటిసైజ్ ఇన్ ప్రైవేట్, ఆఫీస్ రూమ్ పిలిచి లేకపోతే స్టాఫ్ రూమ్ పిలిచి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మాట్లాడాలి పర్సనల్ గా. సో ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ హ్యావ్ టు బి డన్. ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి డన్. అండ్ ద లాస్ట్ ఇస్ అండర్స్టాండ్. Understand your children. Understand what is happening in them. Understand about their family background. ఎక్కడ ఉండి వస్తారు, ఎట్లా వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళని మనం ఎట్లా పెంచాలా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ హీ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ హీ ఈస్ ఫేసింగ్, అది అంతానే మనం చూడాలి. అది అంతా చూస్తుందా మన వల్ల దాన్ని మనం తగుந்த மாதிரி ఎప్పుడుమే కరెక్ట్ గా మనం షేర్ చేయవచ్చు. ఓ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ టీచర్, ఆ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ గురు ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? ఫస్ట్ హీ హ్యాస్ టు ప్లాన్. He has to prepare well for his class or whatever, for his lecture or for this meeting also. This kind of program we have started first time in the VCI's history. Yes, yesterday Aita sir, man INP sir, everybody they planned it. Our leaders planned chesi, lately it is going on from today. So good planning, and they have to prepare well. Coach or guru or teacher, they have to prepare well. Engage them, engage the children or engage us. Today they have engaged us. Today morning we had a review meeting. With that engagement, today our classes have been started. Presentations are started. So you have to plan, you have to prepare, you have to engage, you have to enhance. The same way, we have to always have a smile in our face. Without smile, you cannot do nothing with the children. Without smile, nothing can be done. And more or less, there should be interaction. It should not be one way. Interaction undali. Biddle there only mana doubts raavali. Once we should get doubts, then we have to clear the doubts. Ee rendume undali. So if you answer all the questions of the children, really the children will be very happy that we are having a very good teacher with us. Ee roj if you don't know the answer also, tell them, I don't know. I will find out and tell you the correct answer. Don't worry. So there you stand. Play with the children. Please play with the children. That's why I call you innovative guru. Innovative in the sense you have to upgrade yourself technology wise also. Technology wise. I want to show a small magic. There were 4 children who doesn't know anything. There are 4 children who doesn't know anything. They are entering a school and they had a very good teacher there. One teacher is coming to their class. All class ettere. Meeku andarime telusunu. Back benchers. Some children they doesn't follow them. Sila bidalu manani follow cheyaru. So ee sir emda try chestano. I think one student did not follow. He went, I don't want your class sir. I want to go out. So he went out. The other children, our sir వచ్చి ఆ given coaching వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు he gave them very good coaching and they started to read and they started to learn something. So they learned something and they could know something. The same way they could learn something and they got something in them, something in their heart and something in their mind, right? But these kind of teachers are not needed nowadays. Nowadays manaku over undavala. We need innovative teachers who is creative, who is upgraded, who is up to date. So the school went for another teacher who is upgraded teacher and who has everything in him. So he upgraded teacher or this innovative guru, when he comes to the school, he is capable of taking everything. He planned the class very well, he prepared the class, he engaged the class, he enhanced the class, everything he did. And you see what very good results came out of the children. And you see what is their life has changed like this and they became colorful now. You see? Yeah. The same way, whenever the teachers are very innovative and when they go to the children in a proper way, they can bring out very good results. Very, very good results. I want to show you one more PPT. Yes. Hope you all like idli. Idli is a very fantastic food. Right from a newborn baby to an elderly person who is more than 75 or 80, whatever his age may be, without idli. I think this is a fantastic food. Even doctors tell that please eat, go home and eat some idli with some curd or something like that. Yes. So I want all the gurus, all the teachers to always remember this word idli, IDLI. Okay, again we'll expand. What is IDLI? The first word goes with inspiring. I think you have to inspire. Now our president is inspiring us every day regarding training. My coach is inspiring me with his game techniques. My mom and my father is inspiring me. The same way a coach or a guru should inspire the children whenever they enter the class. The children always should remember that we need, or you have to be inspiring always. Next one is dedicative. Dedication. For what we have come, for whom we are here, why we are here. So then how we should present ourselves to the children. Mano children ela present chesi etla undavala. Manaki ee job ki enduku vastadu. What is our duty? Ee corona ne prachana lepothe, I think our president, you see his dedication on training, you see his dedication on ammavarku gauravam, lot of things, vision, mission. It shows his dedication. The same way as a leader, as a guru, they should have dedication. And next is learning. I once again told again and again, I'm telling is learning, learning, learning. If you want to be a guru, or if you want to be a leader, or if you want to be a teacher, always learn continuously till your death. Till your death. If you are continuously learning, I think the knowledge which you gain, you can give it very freely to the children. And the last I stands for our topic, innovative. New way. You have to find out new way of teaching children. What is the new way? You have to find out. Even nowadays we find teachers doing smart class, giving smart class boards. Okay, what else it may be? You have to do with your hands. You have to dance like this. Dance for the children, LKG children, UKG children. With the rhymes, you have to show with actions. Something new. Even we see many government teachers drawing something in the ground and they are dancing in that with the numbers, with the letters. So think yourself. Do something innovative so that the children will follow you continuously. So always, gurus, please don't forget this idli. Eat idli and don't forget this idli. You have to be an inspiring teacher. You have to be a dedicated teacher. You have to learn continuously, and you have to be an innovative guru always. You have to be innovative. Without that, you cannot do anything. You have to be innovative. One small magic again I want to show you. Hope you can see this, a small dice. Children, you know, they are like the small dice, always chattering, running away, running back, everything. Once again, I lost the dice. Okay. Hope you see the dice now. So we are like this dice. Children are like this. As a guru, what you have to do? You have to give them a very good coaching, and you have to give them very good teaching. Only innovative gurus can do this. As an innovative guru, whatever we do, and now we change them as a bigger one. Yes, now we change them as a big people, a responsible citizen. Only innovative gurus can do this. Yes, only innovative gurus. So please, I request all the gurus to be very much innovative in whatever you want to give your children. Give them properly, engage them properly, and what do you call? There is a poet, our Thiruvalluvar. He has written 1330. Very nice Tirukural I want to tell here. Inarultum Nara Malaranayar Kattradu Unara Viriturayadar. இனருழ்த்தும் நாரா மலரணையர் கற்றது உணர விரித்துரையாதார். I'll tell the meaning in Tamil first. என்னதான் நிறைய படிச்சு நிறைய கல்வி கற்றிருந்தாலும் அத நல்ல முறையில மாணவர்களுக்கு விளக்கமா சொல்ல முடியல அப்படின்னா, நல்ல பூத்து குலுங்குற மலர்கள் இருந்து கூட அதுல வாசம் இல்லாம போகும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. The same way, though you are a very good teacher, you may have a big degree with you, a lot of things you have read, but if you are unable to explain a small concept, or if you are failing to explain, you are nothing but a flower without smell, a flower without fragrance. The same way, இனருழ்த்தும் நாரா மலரணையர் கற்றது உணர விரித்துரையாதார். If you are unable to explain, or if you are unable to give a proper explanation to the children, I'm sorry, you are not a good, or you are not an innovative guru. Everywhere we see, not only guru, a teacher, coach, guide, a leader, they should have special qualities. And nowadays, with the help of these kind of trainings and other things, they are trying to upgrade themselves. Yes, the same way you have to, as a guru, you have to upgrade yourself. Once you upgrade, you can be a very good example for your children. Hope you all know, nowadays children are very much expecting examples, okay, and they are seeing you as a guru. They are seeing you, how my guru is coming, how he is dressed, how he is giving his presentation, how he is behaving inside the school or inside the college campus. So when they see, they take live example. Oh, our guru is like this. So now we are seeing our leaders, not only in Vasavi Club, in Lions Club also I see many leaders. The way they behave, the way they talk with people. So it gives a big education for us. The same way, whenever innovation comes, guru should be there. He has to do that. Without that, he cannot perform anything. Without innovation, nothing can be done. The same degree, MA B.Ed, BA B.Ed, BSc B.Ed, MPhil, PhD, whatever it may be, you can have it as a good thing behind your name. That's all. But what difference you have? That is the thing what the children are expecting nowadays. What is the special you are giving? What new thing you have told us today? What exactly the news happening around and us, what my teacher told today? The children, the small children, they will run to their parents and they will tell, Mummy, today my teacher told this. It is the thing that is going to reach the parents. They'll tell about the teacher, or they'll tell about the guru once they enter the house. So a guru is always guru. You have to guide, you have to understand the children, you have to be an ultimate man, so that everybody praises you and everybody follows you. There is a difference also. A boss, a leader. As a guru, you should not be a boss. Hope you know what is the difference between boss and a leader. A boss who forces their orders and who makes of his followers to do it. But a leader, a guru, he doesn't force. He will be with the people and he will make them to achieve their goals. So this is basic difference. So you should always be a leader, a guru, and guiding people. And innovative guru, the thing is that he should know everything, what is happening within him, what is happening in his class, and what is happening outside. Everything he has to do. One final magic, I want to do it again. So because once guru is very much innovative, once he is giving good ideas, our life becomes colorful. We are going to shine in our life if we get guru, innovative teacher, an innovative leader. Our life will be fantastic. You see this book. When we go to a class, we are like this, empty. We are always empty. Empty, with empty hands or with empty mind, with empty knowledge, we go inside the class. But if we have an innovative guru, an innovative teacher, then you see our life will be very colorful. Our life will be colorful, you see. Once if we get an innovative teacher, our life is always colorful. The same way, teachers, guru, we have to pray to them. We have to be very respectful to them, because we have a lot of social media. We see everything in YouTube, everything we see. But without a teacher, without a guru, without a leader, we are nothing. They give us something extraordinary other than what we see, because they learn and they give us a fantastic thing that we should upgrade ourselves also. So coming to conclusion, a small slide I want to display again. Thank you. Reverse message is coming. Okay, sorry. So thank you for this wonderful opportunity given by our international president, international secretary, international treasurer, and our training committee chairman Aita sir, and the two trainers, our friends Satyanarayana and Kiran, for giving this opportunity for me this evening. And this is the day one, and still my friends are about to perform from tomorrow onwards. I have given my name there. I am Vasavian Lion Engineer K. Raja Subramaniam,